Looking good, guys. So there's something I did off the camera, which is I went to buy this M3 bumper to give it back the M3 look that it once had lah. Oh, okay. Taking shape now. Fender installed. Okay. And ooh, got some very basic painting here. So there's the frame rail painted. Let's have a closer look on the side. Yeah, you know it's not perfect. Some battle scars. This is the bypass hose. There's the radiator bypass hose. The original one that is in the car got a cut. That's probably due to the accident. Tore it. Oh well, luckily well, there's some spare hose that I can find. Fitting is still not very good. Try with two bumpers. There's a little bit of gap. That's what I've been told by the body shop. Hopefully we can sort that out. Okay. Both sides, left and right. I have no idea. Why is it like short by half a cm? Oh goodness, look at the dust. I think the car has spent some time outside. I don't know how long. I've never seen it outside, but probably from the looks of the dirt, has spent a bit of time outside. Soon, I anticipate this car can be started. I brought back the battery here. I'll get the car radiator filled up. Then should be time to start it up for an alignment check. And then soon, if the alignment of this car works well, I will send it for repaint. I might just stay with silver to be simple. But if you got any idea like what kind of color I should change to be looking good for this car, do drop me a comment. Okay, it's a very productive day. We've got the radiator installed. So the clutch fan installed just in case, because I didn't put on auxiliary fan, so I'm running clutch fan again. The lights, the wiring is just put aside. I've taped them up to a white short circuit. So now I'm gonna give it a start. Unfortunately, when we put on the battery onto the car, the car's central locking system locked the entire car with the key inside. So there's no choice, we can't start it today. Everything looks good. The radiator, the hoses doesn't look like there's any leak. Yeah, I'll just go get my spare key and come back the next day. And I think we can start the car then for the first time. Bye bye.